In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shadow effect in PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. This technique can give your presentation a polished and professional look with minimal effort. Let's dive right in and make those slides pop. First things first, open up Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. If you don't have it installed, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account and download it. Once you have PowerPoint ready, choose a presentation you want to work on. This could be either an existing project or a brand new one. Either way, ensure that you have some content, particularly text, ready on the slide. After opening your presentation, locate the specific slide where you want to add the shadow effect. Click on the text you wish to enhance with this feature. It's crucial to select the text box correctly to ensure the shadow applies only to the targeted content. Doing so will also open up some text-specific tools in PowerPoint that will come in handy. With your text selected, it's time to bring up the context menu by right-clicking on the text area. This menu will present you with several formatting options. Look for the option that says Format Text Effects and click on it. This is the gateway to customizing your text more extensively, giving you control over various aspects such as shadows, reflections, and more. Once the Format Text Effects panel opens, look for the Shadow option. Clicking this will present you with shadow effect choices that PowerPoint offers. The gallery of settings can sometimes feel overwhelming, but don't worry, each preset offers a preview of what to expect, so feel free to experiment until you find a shadow style that best fits your presentation's aesthetic. The goal here is to enhance readability and appearance without making the slide look cluttered or too heavy. Remember, you can adjust specific settings like the transparency, size, blur, angle, and distance to customize how the shadow appears. These adjustments can significantly alter the way the shadow increases depth, so make sure you tweak these until you're satisfied with the visual effect. PowerPoint does a great job of letting your creativity fly while keeping everything user-friendly. Once you're happy with your shadow effect, preview the slide to ensure everything looks great. This simple addition can bring a touch of depth and dimension to what would otherwise be flat text, engaging your audience visually. And there you have it, you've just learned how to add a shadow effect in your PowerPoint presentation in less than 5 minutes. Keep practicing and experimenting with these tools to discover more ways to unleash your creativity in your slideshows. Thanks for watching and be sure to check back for more quick and easy PowerPoint tips. Happy presenting!